In the heart of a bustling city, lived Emma, a dedicated single mother of two lively children, Mia and Liam. Juggling a demanding 9-to-5 job and raising her kids alone, Emma often found herself torn between work responsibilities and spending quality time with her family. The pain of seeing her children grow up too quickly, coupled with a constant financial strain, weighed heavily on her heart. One evening, while scrolling through her tablet during a rare moment of solitude, Emma stumbled upon a captivating article about the transformative power of private franchising. Intrigued, she delved into stories of individuals who had taken the leap and changed their lives for the better. The stories resonated deeply with her, stirring a newfound sense of determination. Emma began researching different private franchise opportunities, envisioning a life where she could have more control over her schedule and financial future. After weeks of research and contemplation, she found the perfect fit, a health and wellness franchise that aligned with her passion for promoting a healthy lifestyle. With her heart racing and a mix of excitement and anxiety, Emma attended a franchise information session. The presentation painted a vivid picture of the potential impact on her family's life. She could already imagine the relief of being her own boss, setting her working hours, and having the flexibility to attend her children's school events. Although the prospect was both thrilling and daunting, Emma's commitment to her children's well-being and her own dreams propelled her forward. She invested her savings into the franchise and embarked on a journey of entrepreneurship, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. The early days were demanding as Emma navigated the complexities of running her own business. There were moments of self-doubt and long hours, but the pain of uncertainty was tempered by the hope that she was creating a better future for her family. She involved Mia and Liam in small tasks, allowing them to witness firsthand her dedication and hard work. As the months passed, Emma's health and wellness franchise gained momentum. Customers appreciated her dedication and the personalized touch she brought to the business. Emma's once tiny spark of hope had ignited into a blazing fire of success. The pain of missing out on her children's milestones began to fade as she now had the freedom to be there for them during the most important moments. The financial rewards were tangible. Emma's franchise not only provided a stable income but also enabled her to save for Mia and Liam's education and her own retirement. The pain of financial instability was replaced with a sense of security and accomplishment. But perhaps the most heartwarming transformation was the change in her family dynamics. Emma's decision to embrace private franchising had not only altered her life but had also created a ripple effect on her children. Witnessing their mother's dedication and success, Mia and Liam learned the value of hard work, determination, and the power of taking control of one's destiny. As Mia and Liam grew, they actively participated in the family business, each bringing their unique skills and ideas. The franchise had become a symbol of their unity and resilience, and their bond as a family had grown stronger than ever. In the end, Emma's decision to venture into private franchising had changed her family's life forever. The pain of missed opportunities, financial stress, and time apart had transformed into a life filled with purpose, financial security, and the joy of being present for the moments that truly mattered. Through her courage and determination, Emma had turned the page to a new chapter, one where dreams were realized, and her family's legacy was forever altered for the better.